Need to back up or transfer data on your IQOO phone? A good IQOO Sync Manager can help move contacts, photos, videos, messages, and more with ease. In this video, we'll cover the 6 best options. Top 1. Best IQOO Sync Manager MobiKin Assistant for Android. MobiKin Assistant for Android, Windows, and Mac is a powerful desktop software that allows IQOO users to manage and sync data between their phones and a computer. It supports file types like contacts, SMS, photos, videos, call logs, etc. Step 1. Install and launch the software on your computer. Then connect your IQOO phone via USB. Once connected, the tool will detect your device and ensure USB debugging is enabled if needed. Step 2. Use the menu on the left to browse file categories, for example, contacts. Preview and select the items you want to sync. Step 3. Click Export to save selected files to your PC, or choose Import to transfer files from your computer to your phone. Top 2. MobiKin Transfer for Mobile. MobiKin Transfer for Mobile, Windows and Mac is designed to transfer files from one phone to another in a seamless, one-click process. IQOO users can use it to sync contacts, photos, messages, and more from an old Android or iPhone to their new IQOO device. Top 3. Vivo Mobile Assistant. Vivo Mobile Assistant, also known as Vivo PC Suite, is the official sync and management tool for Vivo and IQOO phones. It enables users to transfer and manage files, messages, contacts, apps, and media from a Windows computer. Top 4. Google Drive. Google Drive, along with Google One Backup, offers cloud-based syncing and backup solutions that work well on IQOO phones. It automatically saves contacts, app data, device settings, messages, and photos for easy recovery. Top 5. EasyShare. EasyShare is Vivo's native app for wireless file transfer and device syncing. Pre-installed on most IQOO phones, it supports fast, cross-platform transfers of photos, music, videos, and even full phone backups through its phone clone feature. Top 6. SHAREit. SHAREit is a widely used third-party app that facilitates high-speed wireless file transfer between devices, including IQOO phones. This EasyShare substitute supports syncing of photos, videos, apps, documents, and more without using mobile data.